Slow motion. Right, welcome back to another video from the grumpy aging gamer PSVR. Playing Here They Lie. The last one wasn't the last chapter, but this surely has to be. The clues so far are kind of insinuating that I've caused some kind of fire tragedy and lost some loved ones. With a daughter horrifically scarred. Fuck's sake. Is that him again? Yeah. The torch is gone, the torch is gone. Oh, fuck. Oh. Yeah. Not the most successful start to a level. Perhaps you weren't supposed to get away because it's... Oh, the horrors. I'm upside down. Oh my god. Alright. Well, I've died a lot. Photo, sunset, or sunrise.
So during a certain point of the night, I could listen to the wind, but it was not like a regular wind.
Arizona sunshine.
It was a really strong presence, and I could feel that it was the force of the wind combining and meeting the force of the water. This spirit of the water is called Iemanjá, and the spirit of the wind is called Sun. So when they meet, you could feel the presence in yourself.
Yeah, definitely then. Yeah, I've not checked what trophies I've got. I've been doing the PlayStation competition days of play where you've got to get a trophy every day. Same, that's the same picture. Trophy every day from the 8th to the 18th
What is it? Is it just
of
a
June.
room for all of these ideas? Is it a holding space? Is it even truly ours?
I've
Are we just floating through here and floating through other places at the same time that we're just not aware of? What we hold on to, what we see the most.
yeah, I've managed to
is
do it
what
so
we've
far, so that's
decided
quite good. I've
to
got a
believe.
trophy on this one, which is good.
Your consciousness could be anything and nothing
Played.
all at once.
I just went back to a load of old
Anything
games
is
that I
possible.
got for
It's
free and
just
never
how much you're open
played,
to
because you always get a
to
trophy if
believe.
you complete in the first level. So I did, yeah, you had to register. I got an email, I think I put something on my Twitter. You had to register your email address and your PSN name. Oh, this looks like an end game, doesn't it? So they can keep track of you. See, I was playing, what was I playing? Untangled. That Call of Duty Black Ops that was free recently, I've got that. It's very tricky, isn't it? I'm not sure who the publisher is for this game. I hope they won an award for it. For the art design, the narrative is fantastic. The whole thing, I can't fault it at all. It's not the crispest of games, but it was, yeah, thank you. But it was the first, one of the first ones. If anyone watching is just watching, oh, this just looks like a game. What you don't get if you've never tried VR, yeah, I absolutely agree. If you've never played VR, those statues are skyscraper tower block height. The boat's the size a boat would be. Your hand with the torch there is coming off of my shoulder, as it would do, and the arm is scale for my arm, so everything's to scale. I think that's the failing of advertising VR, is if you've not tried it, it looks like a computer game. If you're just watching it on your phone or on your laptop, whatever. No justice at all. It just makes it look like a computer game. Whereas me now, this everything is life size. So I'm in a giant, freaky Star Trek cave on a canoe. It's not a canoe, but a small boat. My legs are real size, a bit skinny. I've not been that skinny for a while. Look at that. Giant nudie women. I feel like I'm in the beginning of a James Bond horror film. That's freaky, isn't it? Yeah, I'll need to look up who the do you know who the publisher is? If they've made any other game or what they've got on the horizon. I'll contact them. It's brilliant. Yeah, me too. Yeah, my wife's played some trophy. Silver trophy. That must mean I'm toward the end. Part 5? So there's still another level.